This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you guys how fast the Hyundai Inster is charging compared to other similar price cars. So let's just roll a tape. This is this 49 kilowatt hour and see that right off the line now it slowly ramps up compared to some of the other cars that ramps up faster. The MG4 just shoots up to 131 kilowatt. That's amazing. The ID3, that is old recording from 2021, so it's ancient. I need to test the new. I've actually booked the new ID3 pure. But okay, back to Inster. It can still maintain okay speed. It's kind of flat-ish, 75 kilowatt. Actually, the current seems to be capped at 237, 238, and then as the voltage goes up, then it charges faster and faster. And also, look at the voltage on the Inster. It is quite low compared to many of the other cars. But okay, MG4 still maintains amazing speed. Yeah, I include these cars because they actually cost roughly the same, at least in Norway. I'm not sure about in your country. But which car is leading now? MG4 is leading like a boss. And also in pink there, or purple, you see the time. Yeah, many people, they ask me, hey, how much time did it take? Well, in the Ioniq screen you can see the time there. And then okay, ID3 starts tapering down a little bit there, but this is almost kind of irrelevant for now. Yes, eventually we're going to include a new ID3. But MG4 though, wow, really impressive stuff. Okay, what about Dolphin? Dolphin has some weird shit going on here. In red here, I highlighted the temperature. So it hit over 80 yeah, you see 87 kilowatt, but then it rapid gates because the highest cells goes beyond 45 degrees. And then it goes kind of like this yo-yo up and down, because then when it throttles in speed, then it cools down, yeah, now 46 degrees Celsius, and now jumps to 55 kilowatt, and then it cools, yeah, okay, it goes up and down like that. So not the best thermal management in the Chinese car, at least Dolphin. MG4 on the other hand, okay, was charging so fast, but now it's down to 65 kilowatt, but it's already at 69%. Holy crap, but the ID3 is actually right behind with 65%. And then Inster on a good third, and then Dolphin is on the fourth. Wow. But also here you see the Inster has big gap between min and max. Dolphin is actually not that bad in comparison. Yeah, but MG4 though is still in the lead, but seems like ID3 is coming in hot now. But also the Inster, look at that, it can maintain really nice and flat. Okay, it was a slight dip earlier, yeah, now a little bit, but it can maintain nice and flat charging curve until around 72%. Then you will see a quite significant drop. So the Inster is now starting to gain on the ID3, at least the old ID3. Yeah, how old is it? Yeah, really old there. Okay, now the Inster start dropping. Now that's quite slow now, 44 kilowatt compared to, well, actually the other one not that fast either. Yeah, but MG4 is already at 82%. Seems like MG4 might hit 90% before the others. Uh-oh, this is unfair. No, well, they have the roughly the same price. There's a smaller battery MG4 also, a smaller battery Dolphin also, but yeah, at least in Norway these are available. And okay, back to the Inster. Okay, goes kind of slow, but at 80% still okay speed for such a small battery. Yeah, I realize that the Inster has the smallest battery in this comparison. All right, MG4 is about to hit 90%. Whoa, what the heck is ID3 is coming in hot. MG4 starts slowing down. It had a great start, but then towards the end, the Germans, they show you who is the boss. Oh, the old ID3 won to 90%. Deutsche Engineering for the win. Yeah. Okay. Back to the test now. Okay, but MG4 is going to take a second place at least. And then Inster might be on a good third, but the Dolphin is just so slow in comparison. I don't know what the heck is going on, but Dolphin has a fairly big battery. But, well, actually, MG4 is the biggest. Huh? Okay. Yeah, ID3 is like, I'm going to take this victory run now to 100% by the time the others finish to 90%. Lol. But okay, it seems like Inster will take the third place to 90%, but it goes kind of slow now towards the end, only 18 kilowatt. Wow, I'm quite surprised that Dolphin can maintain okay speed here, still taking 59 kilowatts. Okay, it's just a bit late in the game, but yeah, ID3 just hit 100%, the old ID3. Can't wait to test the new ID3. It's gonna be so awesome. But all right, now, oh wow, look at that. Because the Inster charge is so slow towards the end now, then the Dolphin is inching in, hammering at 50 kilowatt. No, okay, now down to 32 kilowatt. But that's too late, a little bit too late now, because Inster hit 90% finally. And the Dolphin is the slowest, yeah. Yeah, sorry, my mistake. When I mentioned Dolphin in the 1,000 kilometer challenge in Inster, I said it was charging slower, but I forgot that that was the smaller 50 kilowatt hour Dolphin that I tested in Thailand. But yeah, the 60 Dolphin in Norway, Europe, charges a lot faster, but then it replicates a lot. When we look at the charging curve here, the MG4 is just like a boss, man. The Chinese, yeah, they're coming in hot. Really nice and flat, way above the others. 1 second here. That's the ID3, the old ID3 from August 2021. But it has a nice flat curve, quite flat, yes. And then here we have the yo-yo, the Dolphin. Just replicate, bloop, and then okay, unreplicate, and then replicate again, and then hit the throttle point. But quite surprisingly, the Dolphin can manage to get flat curve here, flatter than many of the other cars. And then pretty much at the bottom you have Inster. Yeah, go slow in, and then yeah. But you'll be like, yeah, but Bjørn, I like your videos. No, wait, wrong voice. Oh, Bjørn, I like your videos, but Inster is an affordable car. Yeah, you know, it's don't stop calling it poor man's car. It's the affordable car. Well, like I said, these other cars, they cost roughly the same. So, and this is even the big battery Inster. There's a smaller battery Inster that charges slower. Right? What the heck is this car doing? Okay, but yeah, now you guys have seen it. It seems like the Inster performs some of the worst in the charging comparison. So what is the point of the Inster then? Well, it is small. It is size-wise, Inster is much smaller than the other cars we mentioned here. Inster is around 40-50 centimeters shorter, or small and shorter, but also narrower than the other cars. So if space matters, if you live in France, then get the Inster. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.